Okay, in the previous video, we calculated the z-score. Now we're going to talk about how to actually find the probability once we get the z-score. So, we want to know the probability that a randomly selected respondent rated airline satisfaction with a score of less than 53. So what we're finding is the probability that z is less than negative 1.48. So when you're looking up a value in just a second, it's going to give you the cumulative area under the curve. So for example, if you looked up negative 1.48, it's going to give you the probability of less than that, which is what we actually need in this problem. Let's say if you wanted it to be the probability of it being greater than that, well, you would say the whole area of this curve is 1, so you would subtract out the probability under the curve, which we'll do in another video. So how do you find this probability? Well, you have to go to the table, and you can find this in your bookshelf in the appendix, and you have to scroll almost a little bit halfway down, and you're looking for the standard normal distribution table. And so we are looking for negative 1.48. So what you're going to do is you're going to the first digit is you're going to go to negative 1.4, and then if you notice, let me go back up here. The first column is 1.40, 1.41, 1.42, 1.43, all the way over to 1.48, which is the next to last. So if you find negative 1.48 and go all the way across to the next to last value, you'll see that the probability or the area under the curve there is 0.0694. So the area of this is 0.0694, which answers our question. The probability that a randomly selected respondent rated the airline's satisfaction with a score of less than 53 would be 0.0694, which is about a 6.9% chance. And that is how you find the probability of a normally distributed data and the probability of the area under the curve or less than probability. Let me know if you have any questions.